Hi, this is Lydia Saldana and welcome to Week 2 assignment. It is important to recognize and identify the NAEYC health standards to support and protect the health of children, control contagious diseases, ensure healthy nutritional behaviors and environment. Children are dependent on healthy adults making healthy decisions for themselves and instructing children to do the same. It is important that teachers and child care workers practice safe standards as outlined in the NAEYC handbook, as this will safeguard against the prevention of diseases, viruses, and food poisoning. The information stated in the NAEYC 5 will provide a healthy environment for children. For example, at least one adult worker must be certifiably trained in child CPR and first aid. They are to be present with the children at all times. Health records are available to ensure all student vaccinations are up to date. Daycare centers responsible for infants and toddlers up to 2 years of age will provide a pediatric physician that will visit the facility at least 4 times a year or when needed. 2 actions that will promote child health consistent with the NAEYC standards are diaper changing and hand washing. It is important when changing diapers and pull-ups that changing tables are separate from where children are playing. Also, that unclean clothing and diapers are kept in a sanitized, odor-free storage area, safe and secured away from the children. Personnel will check for indications of excrement, urine-wet clothing, diapers, and pull-ups when kids are playing or sleeping. Prior to arriving at a child care facility, adults and children must wash their hands and follow the same proper hand washing methods, including the use of liquid soap and running water. Vigorous rubbing of hands, front and back, underneath fingernails and in between the fingers, for a minimum of 20 seconds before drying them with a paper towel. While some measures of risk-taking are expected for teaching, a quality program avoids dangerous activities and environments that are probable to adversely affect kids, employees, and the communities. Thank you for watching.